The weekly update of the COVID-19 pandemic in the Maldives. The COVID-19 pandemic in the Maldives has been largely controlled for the time being, thanks to the hard work being done by all the stakeholders at NEOC and the Technical Advisory Group. The World Health Day was on the 7th of April, and the Minister of Health gave a statement on the solemn occasion. There were many new developments this week on the pandemic front in the Maldives. Let's take a look. On Friday, 3rd April 2020, the Minister of Health and the Technical Advisory Group visited Hulule Island Hotel, which was a quarantine facility earlier. The team inspected ongoing changes to convert the hotel into an isolation facility. On Saturday, 4th April 2020, the Minister of Health, along with senior officials of Ministry of Health, met with the senior officials of IGMH. They discussed strategies to establish a COVID-19 hospital in the Greater Malay region and also focused on building necessary human resource capacity for this operation. On Sunday, 5th April 2020, regular meetings of NEOC and Technical Advisory Group were held, in which the steps and measures taken to contain the spread of the pandemic in the country were discussed. On Monday, 6th April 2020, WHO handed over 5,000 additional coronavirus testing kits, which was received by the Minister of Health at Darubaruke. The Minister also met with the medical cluster to discuss progress on the ongoing development work and also spoke about challenges and ways forward. Tuesday, 7th April 2020 was the World Health Day. The Minister of Health gave a press statement on the occasion. He stated that, defying expectations, Maldives has so far successfully avoided a full breakout of COVID-19.
ದುನಿಯೆಗೆ ಹಿಸಾಬತಕುಂ ಇವೆ ಅರ್ತಕ ಬದಾರು ಮೀಗ ನುರಕ ಇಂತಿಹಾ ಬುಡುಕಮುಗೆಸ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ನವಾರ ಗದ ರೋಳಿ ಅದಿ ಅಳುಮೆಗ ಅಸ್ಕನಿತಕ ಹಿಸಾಬ ವಾಸಿದೆ ದುವೆ ಹಿಸಾಬ ಗೊಸ್ ವಿಹಿದೆಗ್ ಅಳುಮೆನ ರಕ್ಕಾತಿರಿಕಂ ಒತಿ ಮಿಯದು ಕುರಿಯನ್ ನಿಕುಮೆ ಎಳೆ ಫಿಯವತೆಗೆ ಸೋಬು.
On Wednesday, 8th April 2020, His Excellency the President of Maldives Ibrahim Mohamed Solih shared the level of pandemic preparedness of the country in a telephone conversation with the Director General of WHO, Dr. Tedros Adhanom. He also expressed appreciation for WHO's contribution and ongoing assistance in resource mobilization and expressed gratitude for the invaluable support of the Maldives WHO team. On Thursday, 9th April 2020, the Minister of Health took part in an emergency virtual meeting of the Steering Ministerial Committee on Health with other health ministers of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. During this conference, the minister gave a statement regarding the COVID-19 pandemic situation in the Maldives.
The Islamic world must not feel devastated. We must stay focused, stick to our principles, stay strong and combat COVID-19 with a renewed sense of brotherhood and resolve.
Minister Amin also visited Hulule Island Hotel, Farukolofushi Isolation Facility and the COVID Village to observe and assess the upgrades to these facilities. The Minister of Health, together with the Minister of Education and Dr. Ali Latif, gave a press briefing with the updates on the measures that are being taken at policy level for the COVID-19 pandemic.